now. It's going to be class. It's going to be pure class. You're telling me earlier, boy. A tiny bit more lock on this than the last yoke. Now power on nice, then you feel her creeping out on you. Wee bit of gas on. After you find her grip, a nice line. Lovely line, well done. Wee bit of gas on. Lovely balance, well done. Look at the way over. One left hand stuck on the Super 2 off the brakes. Yeah. Nicely. Nice. Where are you going? Where are you going? Some balance in them, isn't it?
Class, isn't it?
Really nice. That's where you go.
You're just jabbing the throttle, you're not even planting it or nothing, like, you know.
Delicate. You see how little power you need to make her slide is the way to drive. Look way over and left hand will do the work for you. It's way delicate, just delicate. That's it. I had her, lad. I had her. I'm telling you, sir. I had her.
I can't even fucking drive though.
No, stuck in. Where the car went. See what I'm getting at? You can put your eyes on the inside and the car had her. And away you go. And the brakes, and the first. And rough. What do you reckon?
Oh, it's good crap.
Nice, definitely had it.
I did.